It's from Mommy, I think.
Oh. Oh, cool. I think it's a balloon. Yeah. Hold on. Wow.
What else?
T-shirts.
Oh, look at the t-shirts, buddy. James, go get your turtle one. James, go see the green shirt.
Another one of these. And there's a turtle book, Ready for Battle, and a Batman one.
Hold your shirts up so I can see. Hold your green shirt up, James.
Thank you.
James, get your green shirt. Let me see how it looks. Wow. Who's on it?
Ninja Turtle. Spider-Man. Ninja Turtle.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Do you like those cars?
Yeah. It's F1 car.
What kind of car is that?
F1.
Who is that, James? What team?
F1.
What team?
I don't know.
Red Bull?
Yeah.
Joey, which one's yours?
Um.
What team does it look like?
McLaren.
McLaren. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Can we open our eggs?
No, not right now.
Oh.
Okay, what do you both say?
I think it's candy in there.
What do you say?